Today, I choose to live with intention, not by chance. I choose to create change, not hide behind excuses. I choose to be motivated by purpose, not manipulated by fear. I choose to be of value, not to be used. I choose to rise, to grow, and to keep pushing forward, not to compete, but to excel in my own journey. I choose self-respect over self-pity, strength over weakness, and progress over comfort. And above all, I choose to listen to the quiet wisdom of my own heart, not the noise of other people's opinions. Every choice I make today is a step toward the life I want to live, and I will stand by it with courage and conviction.